Alright guys, so right here we're going to be power washing this little walkway to my small storage room. And as you can see, it is very dirty, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is pre-treat the concrete with bleach diluted with water to 1/4. And we're going to make sure to hit every area of this concrete to get the best results as possible. Enjoy this small montage of our brand new Simpson pressure washer that just got delivered a couple days ago. What up, peoples? We got our brand new pressure washer, 4,400 psi, 4 gallons per minute, cold water, and then we got the 20-inch surface cleaner. I know you're supposed to I don't know what the saying is, but like 4 times 4, and it's not 20, but it's gonna work. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be running today. And this is my first time running it. I haven't even put gas in it, so we're about to see. Alright, so in here, you can see we're gonna fill it up until it reaches that red tab. For these, you just put it and then this pushes back and it releases gas. Alright, Bill. And if I get any gas on the sides on the paint, clean it off. You don't want it to eat away at your paint. And show me the inside. You can see once you can see the gas, that's when you're good. Cap back on, tighten it, so you put gas. Alright, so you're gonna connect your water hose to the back of the pressure washer. Yeah, you just twist it on until it's tight. You don't want to have water leaking. And then for this bottom piece, I don't know if you can see something better. This bottom piece right here, you're gonna get your water hose, or like the other. Show this real quick. You're gonna get the other water hose, and you're gonna connect this end right here. You connect it to the back of this. So what you do, you pull this back. See? And you just push it in and then lock it. That's all you do. Pull it back, put this in, and then let go of this end. Okay, that's how you install that. I'm gonna put this back at the top rack. Then you're gonna connect the gun. Same thing at the bottom as here. You pull this back, and then you just insert the thing. And you hold it, and that's it. You install it. Now we're gonna get it started. Just a second. So you're gonna have to put one of these nozzles onto the wall. So same thing. Slide it back, insert it, and then make sure it clicks on. That's how you get it on. We're using a 40 angle, 40 degrees angle. Yeah. Once you've done all these steps, connecting everything, then you're gonna turn on the water faucet. So let's do that. Left and loosey, righty tighty. Let's turn it on all the way. We're gonna grab your gun. And then, look, show them right here. Show them this. This right here means hold it for 30 seconds so all the air can get out. You see the air coming out? 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 28, 29, 30. Alright. Trying to see? It shows turn the fuel and the choke, close the choke and turn the fuel on. And then turn the switch on. So the switch is gonna be right here. And we're gonna close it, turn the fuel on, and then we're gonna turn this part on. Alright, what's next? And you turn the choke, close the... Oh, okay. The choke is this way. I thought the choke was that way. So put it that way. And then start pulling till it starts. Let it reflect. 30 seconds, 10 seconds. And you push this piece down here back to run once it's warm. Pause it. Once you get it running, let it warm up for 30 seconds. So what you're gonna want to do is power wash the edges, all the edges, the corners, like this. So I went ahead and just used the wand for the whole area, since there isn't a reason to switch to the big surface cleaner for this small area. So right here, I'm gonna attempt to remove the white paint that was spilled on the concrete. It should be an easy removal. The way you turn it off, you just turn off that switch right there, the red one, and then you turn off the water faucet, and then you just start disconnecting. And then you remove this one. That's basically how to remove everything. And right here, I'm gonna be showing y'all the before and after results. Look at that, looking all better, cleaner than it was. I'm gonna be making more videos in the future of how you can also do this. I'm gonna be like showcasing doing other people's driveways and stuff. Yeah, show y'all before and afters and everything. Yeah, just stay tuned and support.